Hello all, hope you're feeling new today. Welcome to the New Camping Man. Well, it's just another morning chilling out. Just having a coffee. Might have a fire, haven't made my mind up yet. We'll have to wait and see. Should do. Well actually I've got a bit of food to have, so I should have a fire really. Because I need to cook some stuff, but I've got my little stove I suppose, so I'll make my mind up in a bit. Right then. Well, I'll just chill out and may catch you later. Alright then, bye. Amazing stuff. Look at that. Chicken, some hot business, and some tangy chili. Oh, sorry, relish. Burger tangy relish. Okay, love it. See what happens in a minute. Let's get them on. See what happens. Chop, yeah. Someone will just chop them up. I think what I'm going to do, should I just go for it? Yeah, let's just go for it. Right, okay then. Looks good. I'm just going to roll these up. Okay, maybe not roll it up. That's what I'm going to do. Looks good. Right, love it. Nice one. That is what's going to get eaten in a minute. Woohoo!